This is one of the last Cylon motors. It's a 3-inch, 80mm wine height, single 2 ohm. So it'll probably end up measuring close to 3 ohms. I think the DCR on it is 2.7, but let's find out. Yeah, 2.9. FS is 27 hertz or 26.9. QTS is 1.19, so 1.2. VAS is 1.33. So this for a local Sinaloa cartel member. It's very impatient, so it's always difficult when somebody is young and has really high expectations and just no discipline or very little discipline. Let's hope I don't die. Love you.